There's a couple of reasons why your Amazon review that you're trying to give in all good heart is getting declined. Number one, if you didn't spend $50 within the last year on Amazon using a credit card or a debit card, you cannot post a review. Now, I got hit with this once where I had all these gift cards. People were giving me gift cards. They know I'm a book nut. So they were giving me gift cards for presents and birthday presents. And a couple of clients gave me tips and they gave me, gift cards. And it was, I love Amazon cards. I love them. So anyways, I kind of had all these Amazon gift cards and I didn't spend any money because I had all these gift cards. And I was using them as my book fund because, in our family, my husband has his own Amazon account and that's where our Prime was. So we were ordering our products and stuff through his account, but mine was just for my books and my reading. And I could not give reviews for 2 years. And that was heartbreaking because I saw books and I wanted to review them, but I couldn't. So I'm trying to make up for lost time now. So that is the first thing that will decline you. The second thing that you could be declined for is you cannot give reviews to family members that live in the same household as you. You shouldn't give reviews to family members, period, because it's like, is your mother really going to be honest and objective and give you a 1-star review? I don't think so, unless she's really mean. In their guidelines, their community guidelines, they say you should not be using friends and family. So family members in the same household, you're on the same IP address. So Amazon knows. You can't just go, oh, I'll just go to the library. You don't want to do it. So you don't want to, do the people that live in the same household with you. And friends, how does Amazon know who your friends are? Your friends are probably, you sent them gift cards. You've sent them presents over the year. You're in your Amazon history. So friends are a no-no. However, what about colleagues? And so my LinkedIn friends are really colleagues, and they're colleagues who have become friends. And so a lot of times if they've read my book or I've read their book or whatever, it's because I'm generally interested in what your book is about. I have a lot of people I know who have written books. I don't buy everybody's book because I would run out of money. I kind of did run out of my gift card. So I have to be selective about who I buy books from and about. And so if I read a good book and they're a LinkedIn colleague that is a friend, I personally don't feel any problem with doing that. So, but friends who I just go out and travel with and go to coffee with and, whatever, and they have nothing to do. They don't know my business. They don't know what I do, whatever. Most of them go, live stream? What is that? What kind of business is that? I wouldn't ask them to give me a review. And I wouldn't even ask my sister to give me a review, even though she could use my book. And I gave her a copy of my book last week. I would tell her, please don't give me a review, even though we have different last names. We live in different cities. But you have bought stuff. I bought you birthday presents. You've bought me birthday presents. We're related. Amazon would know. And so I would say, don't do it. I don't want to have that problem. Another reason you can be declined is that it was too promotional. What you said in your review was too promotional, which means you're promoting the author and not the book. And so you may love the person that wrote the book. You may know them personally, but that is not helpful to people who are buying the book. They don't need to know that this is the greatest person who's ever walked the planet and you've known them for 20 million years. That doesn't count. What they want to know about the book. So they want to know what is the value in the book?